Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open both IMEI numbers through secret code. Simply open the phone dialer and now enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And that's it. As you can see, IMEI numbers just pop up, so you can come along with them simply by entering this code. Click on OK to go back, and let's go to the second method, which will allow us to check both IMEI numbers and also the serial number assigned to your Neffos. So at first you have to open the settings, then select System, go to the About phone, and now over here you can check both IMEI numbers, and then a bit lower you can locate serial number. So that would be all. This is how you can check unique numbers assigned to your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.